Hey guys, today we're going to review an app called Softspace. Now, this app is an intuitive AR workspace where you can organize notes, images, and websites. But basically, it's for your ideas. It's kind of like a VR journal. I love that idea because one day I was thinking, okay, wouldn't it be cool to have a VR journal, like where you can have as many ideas as you want and have them placed around you? Well, as you can see in this video here, that's literally what this is. So I had a Quest 3 before, and when I first downloaded this app, it was mind-blowing. But you can see the features here, and everything they're saying here, it's true. It's great. It's a great app. The only thing that stopped me was a subscription back then. I didn't want to pay for a subscription, but now you can pay $40 and have lifetime access. And honestly, if I keep this app and I love it from this next impression, I might buy it. But let's check it out, guys. Ready, set, go. All right, so this is like MR app. You can see my environment. It kind of just like mixes everything. There's no boundary at all in this. No boundary, so you can move freely around your room. You can see like your floor. You can also change it. So let's just get into this. They're saying, we're so glad you're here. Softspace is a spatial computing workspace for productivity, creativity, and flow. So you can move the workspace. You close one hand into a fist, and they updated the palm menu because before it was in your hand, but now, woo, that's so cool. All right, and you can go to their website for more information. We will move that around here because that area sucks. All right, so it's like, I'm seeing right now this little thing. It says connect to the internet, no keyboard detected. Now let's see, how, wow. Dude, okay, this keyboard is actually really cool. I don't know why I like the design of it. Let's see, what is spatial computing? Spatial computing refers to use of technology to understand Just an FYI, what I'm reading is probably AI generated text somewhere in the app. We can generate our own AI ideas and we can start our own little notebook here. These images, I believe, are also AI generated. They look AI generated, but let's get into this. Let's see if we can learn what spatial computing is. We should try to move around stuff and see how it is to interact with ideas. So I can basically interact with this like a spatial plane. This is like some Tony Stark shit, bro. I can turn, I can zoom, I can compress. This is insane, guys. Look at this. I want to see that idea. This one right here. What might be some of the transformative impacts of AI? And I can use my cursor to follow along while I read. I don't want to bore you guys with the details. This video will be like 10,000 minutes if I do that. This talks about deep learning. Let's move this out the way. This app is clean. I don't know why the reviews were so bad of it. It's such a cool concept. Like, no one's doing anything like it. This should be like 4 stars. I don't even know what deep learning is. Let's just try to get the main idea of what deep learning is. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that involves training artificial neural networks to learn and make predictions or decisions. Here's a simplified explanation of how deep learning works. So, you guys know what deep learning is now? You read it again, you'll probably get it, but like, training artificial intelligence. All right, what is generative AI? All right, generative AI refers to the field of artificial intelligence that focuses on creating models and systems capable of generating new and original content. And that it does. It definitely works really well. I probably have a Softspace account now that I think about it. I want to go see what architecture is about. We're not going to go through all these steps because it's probably not as interesting as learning about what this app can do. So let's just get right into that. Tutorial, I can do that again if I want to, if I have more time. Ask the AI, let's see what that says. What would I like to know? Just like that, boom. This is one of the things that made it a little hard for me to keep using this app. You do have to have a subscription. Once you upgrade, you'll have unlimited access to everything. Hold on, let's get out of there. You have a lot of use cases for this. Maybe if I sign in, I'll get more functionality. So I went ahead and I paired a keyboard to this, but this app did give me a bit of trouble because I guess that's because I was recording or whatnot. Figured out how to get different workspaces. This is my first workspace. You can sort of see in the beginning here, that's my first workspace. I'm gonna try to create a new workspace. That was hiding there. Please upgrade your plan to create more workspaces. What I'm learning here is that this app is very limited unless you have the plan. And I did hate that the last time I used it. The idea is pretty genius. I'm not gonna lie. The fact that you could have all of your ideas in front of you. I wasn't expecting to have a terrible user experience and be a little bummed out. Dealing with some issues are annoying. Like, I had to sign in. I can't create ideas. I can't show you what this app does unless I purchase. But let me see how much this plan will be. So they have different plans. They have Softspace Personal. It's $5 a month. Okay. or I could pay $40 for the lifetime. And then they have Softspace Pro for professional research and ideation. They must be working with OpenAI, but this is a big app, man. I mean, I'm shocked that I stumbled across this and very grateful, because learning about like these different concepts and being able to see things like this, I think it's great. I just don't know like how much better it is, because I don't have the full access compared to a regular computer. Or like if I'm viewing this on my computer screen, how much different? Like I get the more interactive aspect and like the fact that like you can have these floating planes and really feel what spatial computing is all about. It's just, would you pay $40 for this? I personally would spend the $40 without a second thought if I had a real use case scenario for this. I kind of do, because I'm working on a new channel that is talking about philosophy and stoicism. So technically this could be useful. Am I gonna buy this app right now? This is such a cool app, guys. Can I at least go to a web browser? I didn't even create any items, bro. Like, what the flip? Now, this was an app I totally forgot. Okay, shut up about the upgrades, all right? See, this is something I'm going to include in my review. This is an honest review, guys. We have a bunch of freaking connected ideas. This is a different way. This is what I remember before. This is showing you, kind of like a detective, how the ideas are connected. And we're going to go through it right now. This is insane. It's like a complex web of ideas. Like, I just woke up and my brain is broken right now by the amount of connections and different things. Like, let's see about, okay, so ways AI and AR relate. Let's read about that. I want to know how they relate. AI and AR are interconnected through various functionalities, including object recognition, scene understanding, real-time tracking, and natural language processing and personalization. These technologies work together to enhance user experiences by accurately overlaying virtual elements in the real world, enabling intuitive interactions. So let's see what augmented reality applications are. They're gatekeeping the heck out of this, guys. If you want to try this app, I'm gonna leave something in the description, but I don't like how constrained it is. I mean, they've definitely added some new features. There's a lot more new connections for like really fine tuning your knowledge of something that is connected. I don't even. Let me compress this real quick. Hold on. So this is the workspace that we have. This is a different type of way of viewing the workspace that we had. And it's very freaking cool. It's like, look how complex. Hiding ideas brings us back. It's gonna take a second. But I pay $40 for an app that's a little buggy like this. All right. We're gonna have our first force quit while we're recording. So let's open the app again. Dude, this is gonna be a long video. Oh my God. Okay, it's letting me workspace. Okay, all right, I know I have to upgrade. No, I'm poor. Hold on. I might have to redo this app and pay for it, because I do care about learning. And if this is gonna be useful for learning, without the lags, I would actually purchase. So I don't care about augmented reality applications. Let me delete that idea. So now I'm figuring out finally how to delete ideas. If it would just, I do want to show this app off, man. It's really cool. What the hell does video game design have to do with anything we've learned? Let's see if it lets me delete this app here, so that I can show you an AI generator. And let's get rid of the industrial design one, because I don't think we need that idea in this perfect thing. Same thing with this. Let's see if it works. Okay, delete. Okay. Now we've minimized our workspace a bit, so let's try to find our plane here. Oh shit. Okay. All right. Now can I generate an AI idea? Because this all broke when I tried to ask the AI something cool. How far away is AGI? Where is my question? Or did it give me another warning that I am not giving into their sales funnel? I want to rotate. Can I rotate? There you go. So it's not letting me do it. I'm gonna try again, guys, for the channel. How far away is AGI? Okay. Let's go see it. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, which refers to a type of AI that processes the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across devices, tasks at a level human that compares to a human, remains a subject of debate among experts. Predictions about the timeline for achieving AGI vary widely, ranging from a few decades to potentially never, as it depends on numerous factors, including advancements in machine learning and computation power, and our understanding of human cognition. You know what's crazy, guys? I literally have said this to myself a billion times. If we don't even understand how consciousness is formed, how are we going to create artificial intelligence? You know what I mean? Call me a skeptic, call me someone who's a little negative, but it can't be more. I'm not more negative about that than I am about the experience I just had. It's a little rough. It's a little rough right now, but I still love it. Like, I can't. Like, I might have to buy it. I should have bought it for the app. If this review didn't do it justice, I'm sorry. Okay. I'll probably come back and review it. This is just off the free version. Personally, I still think this has great, great use case. Let's go back and let's see something. I want to finish that idea. While current AI systems excel in narrow applications and create a system with generalized reasoning and emotional intelligence poses significant technical and philosophical challenges. Damn, I can't hate but love hate you, Softspace. And I do hope that at the end of this review, you guys see me. Let's see if we can bring it down. Nah, I'm floating through these ideas, bro. Hold on. That's my favorite feature. I can just collapse ideas and stuff. Let's see what else. Can I, please, new web browser? Thank God, I just wanted to see what it's like to have a web browser open. Okay, so this is a full web browser too. So guys, my conclusion is that this app is very, very advanced. And this is not for your average layperson who doesn't like to get into the nitty-gritty of research. Now, this could be a great research tool. If I buy the full version of this, I might have to drop another review on this app. I have to, because I kind of love it more than any of the spatial computing apps that I have now, because you can also do ideas. Yeah, there's a ton of freaking features in this thing, man. Let's go over this little menu now real quickly. You can create a new topic. You can make a new browser, which we just did. You can ask the AI, which we just did before. You can import. I don't know how to import. What can I import? Let's see how the import works. So it can import from Dropbox, which is another cool thing. Like, let's say, for instance, I have some PDF file. I would like to use something other than Dropbox, since Dropbox feels like an app that I never really connected to. Personally, I never really used it. Like, I used it for school projects and stuff like that, but like I never really used that Dropbox like that. So I can recenter. I'm not going to do that. You can see different workspaces. You can see that we can have unlimited workspaces when we pay for the premium plan. And then I love this feature that kind of broke my headset last time, but look at this. You can have all of these ideas floating around, including my webpage. I will upgrade. Just don't know when. It's a really cool app, and I can't recommend it enough. I appreciate you for watching. If you like these videos, like and subscribe, or if you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.